Alright, this is the waterfall that we came to at the top of the 2-mile trail past the bamboo forest. And as you can see, it's quite the drop. It's about 2 feet of water at the base, and I don't know how many hundreds of feet tall, but it goes up quite a ways. There's a sign that says careful of falling rocks, and you can see why, because all of these rocks here are all spilling down into the base down here where everyone is sitting. And I guess if it was a really windy day or it was really rainy, it's probably kind of dangerous to be here because of flooding, but also because of rocks falling. But as you can see, we've got a little bit of a jungle going on back down the mountain, and we're basically all the way up at the top here, as far as the trail will go anyways. And this is what we found at the top. It's pretty cool. Alright, see you guys later.